Hey, what's up everybody? I figured out how to get Angry Birds to play online for free. I'll put the link in the description below. You guys might already know this, but I just figured I'll put this up in case you didn't know. But yeah, so you just go to this website, which I'll put on the bottom. Click here. Now I think you can only play one level, because I don't think you can unlock any other ones, but we'll just go level 1. Put the volume up. See, there you go. There we go. Bird. Go back. And what? And there you go. You got Angry Birds for free. So yeah, try it out. See how you like it. Here you go. Yeah, so it's pretty fun. So if you don't have like a phone that has it or anything, just go on the website and you'll have it for free. Like I said, you guys probably already know this, but I just figured I'd put up a video just to let you guys know. But yeah, so have fun and enjoy. Peace out.